Here is the sun, the star at the centre of our solar system. Everything revolves around it. In our model, it's going to be the start point. I'm going to be measuring the distance between the planets in paces. Each pace represents 6 million kilometres, which is quite a long way. Here I'm going to use this flag so that we can see later on where each of the objects is. Here is Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. I've taken 10 places from the Sun, which in real time is 60 million kilometres. Quite a long way. It's so tiny compared to the Sun, it's almost unbelievable. I'm going to put it through this flag marker so that everyone can see. Try not to stab myself. There you go. There we go. Here, in my hand, I hold a peppercorn. This peppercorn represents the planet Venus. It's another 9 paces away from Mercury. Not as far away from the Sun as Mercury, but still quite a long way. It's bigger than Mercury, and it's also hotter too, even though it's further away, because unlike Mercury, it has an atmosphere. It has the most atmosphere out of all of the planets in the solar system, making it the hottest planet too. Another 7 paces on from Venus, we get to Earth, our home, reduced to the mere size of a peppercorn. Walking and talking, baby. Oh yeah. Walking and talking, baby, lady, baby. As far as we know, it's the only planet in the solar system that's habitable, being the perfect distance from the Sun to make life. Pop it on here. Here we are, at Mars, the red planet. It's the next planet after Earth, and it's 14 paces away, which in real life is a great big whopping 84 million kilometres away. It's a planet that's shrouded in mystery and conspiracy theories concerning aliens and other beings. Let's move on now. Here's Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It's 95 paces from Mars, which is the biggest distance we've had so far. Let's go. This large marble represents the planet Jupiter. We've just walked 95 paces, which is a massive distance compared to all the other planets. It's so big, but it isn't even a proper planet. It's made out of gas, unlike our planet, which is made out of rock and metal. Because it's so big, it has a giant gravitational pull that pulls in asteroids into it and acts as a force field protecting Earth. Pretty handy, huh? Let's pop it here. Next stop, Saturn, 112 paces away. Let's go. 112. Here we are at Saturn and its famous rings. They're such beautiful objects, they're famous throughout the whole world. They have several layers of rings, and I'm pretty sure they go up to the F ring. They're all beautiful, and some are made out of ice crystals, others of rock, and is represented by this chocolate Father Christmas. Oh yeah. This jelly tot represents Uranus. It's another one of the giant gassy planets on the outer reaches of the solar system. It's a beautiful light blue planet which has vertical rings unlike Saturn's. Here we stand at Neptune. It's the second jelly sweet planet in the solar system because it's a similar size to Uranus. It's dark blue in colour and it's named after the god of the sea, Neptune. It also has a vertical ring, like Uranus, but it's tilted slightly, like the axis of the Earth. It's we just walk 281 paces, and in real life that would be a whopping great 1,686,000,000 kilometres, the biggest single distance between two planets in the whole of the solar system. Here is Pluto. It's represented by another pinhead. It's the furthest planet from the Sun, leaving it as a small icy rock floating through space. It's also the tiniest planet in the whole of the solar system. So tiny, in fact, that they've taken away its name. It's not even called a planet anymore. It's called a dwarf planet. That's quite small. Now, I bid you goodbye. We are at the end of our tour across the solar system. We've taken over 1,000 paces from the Sun to Pluto. In real life, that's 6 billion kilometres, and I can tell you that is a hell of a long way.